Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi. Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Chengoro gomingo magara mintu mwasi manya kitinga semua beta muganda goregeria Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi Ensoko yakusa mata makano.
Twaichande kuralio kwa Joseph Mugaka Nyakeya igaru mwana nyagusira Daudi Nyamali Nyakeya na nyagusira Jemi Manyalinda kurwe kinyeru kya Nyabalia boli Obama wa county ya Nyamira. Igaru Mugaka ye Evelyn Ndubi igale Separate Mura na Masi Bahati mumuro mwabo nyagusira Nyanchama Helena Daniel nyagusira Nduko Aska Josephine Ibitutu Pierera Raini Liro na nyagusira Kemuma igale Semoke Margaret John Nancy, Lynette, Amos, Bob, Maina, Alex, Brian, Dolphin, Lilian, Vivian, Emmanuel Egatia Bande. Ngina rume Dorka, Lamek, Gilbert, Anunda, Maggie, Joseph, Esther, Chebet, Chepkoech, Kibet, Ann, Mokaya, Mogire Egatia Bande. Muano ye Omugaka nyagusira Peter Maina no mungina Gladys Nyanchoka igali mokoyo ye Andrew na Emily umuchango nigo kolekana chitaliki 14 cy'umutinyukane bwo mwaka oyo meyeke nyoru kya Nyabalia nabo igase chiro ya magwawa omubero ye nigo kurusi wenkendu ya Kenyatta National Hospital litukolia Alamisi chitaliki 15 nemo cy'umutinyukane bwo mwaka oyo nako eniwa litukolia Ijuma chitaliki 12 cy'umutinyukane bwo mwaka oyo ase kenyoru kya Nyabalia bolioba county ya Nyamira okwo no kwatwara liri kwa Joseph Mugaka Nyakeya kurwe Ensoko TV twarure ngora yaito wecyase amate abairi n'abasani.
Obutindiro bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
asamari etangoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarungai.
Muireria senchira ya bene nigo tugusaba kwa bere sengento yo muchando wa mariogi twende bonega nkorenganga ya bere buyana nigo tuguchaka bene mangana maya yegetone ye Chinsa Ikomi chiabona marago bakureme saito ya mangana maya ya Ensoko TV kurende asenchira yo bwenge mwanchi muireria kero muraibwense Daktari William Samoiruto agochi kukore tare mutukane ya magendero imero gongo oruagusi mega yo kunyochaka lituko mapiri asa tukabakwa na basi gochia se timu ya Shabana FC nabo igoli tukalero ngakere kwigora magendero ao na gochikonya kora sense media ye bunge ya South Emogirango yare mutwe ngati ya nabare kingo kwareganira senchira yo bwenge. bono Chinsa chinke maega yerigoria mabuta komenta bono niga barai baria bakunyameria serikali ba United Opposition besokirie na kumuraga ikiara humurai wense Dr. William Ruto kubatikana komenta kana kwerigori iria mabuta ya petroli amonari diesel korengana no umurai gusekorgana na Gashagwa umurai wense William Ruto nigo bono ari magega yerigoria mabuta komenta kana nonye nigo amuragire bororo kubatikana negetambukiro gyo komenta rigori iria mabuta.
The three international oil companies, IOCs, in the so-called G2G arrangements are Saudi Aramco, they supply diesel and super petrol. Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, ADNOC, they supply diesel and jet fuel. And Emirates National Oil Company, ENOC, they supply super petrol. These IOCs supply and distribute fuel through 6 had-picked local oil marketing companies. But what was being hidden from the public was the real culprits of this scandal. The team leader of this oil scandal is William Ruto, Felix Koskei, and the abroad-based expert, the CS for Energy and Petroleum, Mr. Opiyo Wandayi. And a local company which is a nominee of the International Oil Companies IOCs awarded under the so-called G2G framework. Through a remarkable architecture, conman attitude, William Ruto orchestrated a terrible propaganda that the fuel supplied was substandard despite the comprehensive compliance due process followed by the gallant then government officers. To date, the 3 arrested Kenyans, PS Liban, DG EPRA and MD Kenya Pipeline Company, have had no charges preferred on them. Why? They had no case to answer as they followed and applied the law strictly. The real culprits in this scandal are William Ruto and his broad-based expert, the Honorable Opiyo Wandayi. Concurrently and maliciously, on the night of 5th and 6th April 2026, as this drama was being executed, William Ruto dispatched a high-power delegation led by CS Wandayi, Acting CEO EPRA, Engineer Joseph Okech, and other senior government officials together with Gulf Energy to renegotiate new pricing with the international oil companies whose nominated agent is Gulf Energy, a proxy of William Ruto. These prices were negotiated in Dubai, and if you recall, that is why Opiyo Wandayi was not available when he was summoned by Parliament, as he was negotiating these prices in Dubai to take into consideration the profit of William Ruto in the new price structure. Kenyans now have to pay for the greed and business of William Ruto, not only on the pump, but across all sectors of the economy. Yesterday night, they increased prices of super petroleum by Kenya shillings 28.69 and diesel by Kenya shillings 40.3 per litre, a historic high since Kenya's independence. You recall 2 weeks ago I announced the price increase of 40 because I had information from the team that was negotiating in Dubai on behalf of William Ruto and his people.
Na habara ibande ba United Opposition obekirana na mona Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka murewe kama kirikyo Patriotic Front Justin Muturi na boigo mokonyi bo murewe kama keria agia Jubilee Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi Eugene Wamarwa asebonse balire ira yogo chekotenenia gitambukiro gyo komenta magori ya mabuta agoi kansara Kalonzo hasansema yende nigalire ira yogo chekugenda ankyo ekoti ligotene gitambukiro gya serikali konye gati yechisha chiria chikambani ya Safaricom.
Tomorrow I will be in the High Court at Milimani dealing with this other state capture matter of the sale of Safaricom shares to Vodacom, itself a foreign company. So although in our statement we have highlighted that whatever the proceeds out of that sale, I want to announce that is contested and will be in court tomorrow.
I just want to state further that in our call to William Ruto to ask his proxy, Moses Wetangula, to convene a special sitting we are cognizant of the fact that the House is still sitting. But we are saying that this is the right time, if indeed William Ruto has any interest at all about the welfare of the people of Kenya, because we know the revenue and expenditure estimates, what we call the budget estimates, will be tabled before the House of Parliament not later than 30th of this month. And therefore, our call for a special sitting and for the removal of VAT and the suspension and or total exclusion of the extra 7 shillings charged on the fuel levy should be at this time and be considered during this special sitting because the ramifications of this historic and abnormal increase in the cost of fuel effected last night are enormous, and the implications will spread to all sectors of our national economy and affect the socio-economic fabric of this country.
A lot of information on this matter has come to us, the leaders of the opposition. This is because there are so many Kenyans out there in the public and private sector who are not just alarmed, but generally deeply frustrated by the way this administration is managing our country. I stop to ask the question all the time, in this era of information and liberal availability of information, it cannot be that the government and its leaders are doing this in the hope that the public will not know, which leads us to the conclusion that they are doing so blatantly, deliberately, and they actually don't care about the law, they don't care about the stability of the country, and they don't care about...
Kienda kwenye station yoyote kufika sasa, mafuta ya petroli yako zaidi ya shilingi 200 na vile vile ya diesel, na hili ni jambo litaumiza wananchi sana, haswa wakulima wengi ambao walikuwa bado wako mashambani. Diesel imekuwa bei ya juu sana, na inamaanisha hata yule mkulima pale kwenye shamba, kuanzia leo mambo yatakuwa magumu, hata wale walio katika uchukuzi.
Togotigara sengani iyo comment kana koma butai meyense ya Kenya mwanchumuliria bono ni gombo bunge wense moye bunge ya Kiharu musikini ni Nyoro esokiri na kwikire bururu igetambukirikyo iyo commenta amagoria mabuta imeyense ya Kenya. Nyoro nigo habiketene nibuna omuroberio oria bo mabuta OG2G no muroberio bwo kurumyo bonene uyo okobakonya bakurumigete abwekorengana nere barime ya serikali.
And Kenya having mechanisms like fuel stabilization fund, which is funded by Kenyans, it is not explainable logically how any of our neighbors should be selling fuel cheaper than Kenya. That is a paradox by itself. The last thing I want to address, and I want to bring it to the attention of Kenyans, and I've been doing it, but unfortunately, maybe many people block Kenyans from getting this real information. This scam called G2G. G2G is a scandal, it is a scam, and it is a business for senior government officials in Kenya. G2G, there is nothing government to government. Saudi Aramco is government in their area. And also the companies in the UAE are owned by government in those countries. But the other G that should represent the government of Kenya, Kenyans should know that there is no government there. These are self-interested, greedy leaders who are profiteering from G2G as Kenyans brace themselves with the pain at the pump. G2G, I want to repeat, is a kiosk. It is a business enterprise. It is a profit machine for senior government leaders in Kenya. And the companies that handle 75% of G2G volumes, the ultimate beneficial owners of these companies are the same people who added fuel prices yesterday. that for them they would rather make profits from their G2G arrangements and illegal businesses, but Kenyans to shoulder the burden and the cry. The most unfortunate bit is that they have now extended that grid from now downstream to midstream to all the levels of fuel production in Kenya. That the same cabal in government who are profiteering from G2G, they have now taken Kenyans' resources in Turkana. That the oil in Turkana does no longer belong to Kenyans. It now belongs to greedy leaders.
Na tugutika nayo yo komenta kwirigoria mabuta imeyense ya Kenya mwancho mweria bono tiga tutambike wikasorogongo rwagusi ase umuraibwense ya Kenya umuske William Ruto amo nabaraibande ko rwagusi nigo bagenderere netaro yabo yamagendero imeyorogongo rwagusi ritko ryarero abwe asacha kretari yaye asensemo yebunge ya machoge chache asaigora bene skuru y'abanyagitari ya KMTC igucha Kambasa na wegogo chakya bene obwagachi wechibara ase Chinsemo ao imeyensemo yebunge yu mugaba na we county ya Kisii omoske Paul Simbarati nigamotegya ho muchumbe bwebungeyo ya machoge barabo omoske Alpha Miruka asa gukora emirimo emiya isabari yo murebwense nigo ego chaka gose nigo ego chiako era litko ya lero abwe hasaka gaire ego ikachinsa mo chiriche bunge ya South Mugrango amonensemo yebungeri ya Bonchari abwe hasara igore na guchake bene obwagachibuge tige chindege egyasuneka airstrip
ya hii college ya Kenya Medical Training Center. Hapa tumejenga na nataka nimshukuru Alpha. Pigeni makofi huyu jamaa. Bidii. Amejenga madarasa 8 hapa na pale anajenga administration block. Mimi nikaomba kura yenu, tukaomba ya Alpha, mukatupatia. Mimi nasema asante sana. Leo mimi nimefika, sinamna hiyo tulikubaliana ya kwamba wakati tunajenga barabara za Kenya lazima tujenge barabara za hapa wapi? Egetungi, sinamna hiyo. Na ndio sababu hiyo leo nimefika hapa, kwa sababu pale nyuma kwanza na barabara ambayo tunaanzisha inaitwa Omoringamo kwenda huko Ugembo kwenda Misesi ama inaitwa nini kule kwenda mpaka ifike Motondo. Si hiyo barabara ilikuwa imekwama miaka nyingi? Si ilikuwa imekwama miaka nyingi? Lakini wakati mimi na Alpha tulipata nafasi juzi, tukasema kabla hatujaanzisha barabara nyingine lazima tukamilishe hiyo ya Omoringamo kwenda mpaka kule Ugembo kwenda Motondo kwenda mpaka Misesi. Leo hiyo barabara imekamilika, imebaki tu sehemu kidogo ya kilomita 12 hivi. Na hiyo sehemu kidogo imebaki, nimekubaliana na huyu nitatafuta pesa nimalize. Tuendelee ama tuendelee? Tuendelee ama tuendelee? Wakati nilikuwa kwa hii uwanja tulisema mama mboga atafanya kazi mahali kuna heshima, mahali kuna maji, mahali kuna stima, mahali kuna cold room, mahali kuna storage. Leo nikiwa hapa, si soko ndio hii? Mumeiona hiyo soko? Tumewapatia milioni 70 ya kujenga hiyo soko, na ndani ya miezi miwili mimi nakuja ku hand over hiyo soko kwenu, ili wafanyabiashara wa hapa hiyo soko watumie, na sio hiyo soko peke yake.
Huyu muungwana anaitwa Alpha amejaribu sana. Ukiangalia Bomachoge Borabu na Bomachoge Chache kuna tofauti kubwa sana. Ukiangalia Bomachoge Chache na Bobasi ambao ni neighbor kuna tofauti kubwa sana. Wacha niulize watu wangu, mundagete Alpha atigare ese jikoni ya Ruto agenda alete kende yonsi kibwenda kureka umachoge chache
na mwancho mureria togotikara abwabwe ime eye county ya Kisii bono uyo kuligia ikirogo okyo obobunge wensemo ye bunge ya Kitutu Uchache South Moske Calvin Omwando nigesokire na kwikegia igakorwa ayo okoborwa abwechi basari echo chikobakonya barokiwa agosoma ime yensemo ye bunge yo gukwana kurwa sensemo iria ya Kioge hasekana na matanga yamo galire ira yo gochekwaga cha eskuru ya secondary asenseme ywe onye babuchikomochora kumwali bagali okobara uno chole bone bu
ya yo leso como wako mu anekata tesi kusangana abantu baminda na mwensi ina bai sinki ayani South ma takirenda bono bago tebanga ancho tuwe toko nya korre ndu kero ta kitu cha kutonya kwenye CCD so toko bo speech ya into kitu una bono sei tai buate ukagege school wasoma so ichege ndo chikobo mujumbe mogo nchora nyasaye kagwanja. I want to create a new day secondary school ga seito ga kyoga elinda abana baito banyara goche kalise school wange because bakaenda bakakanunda St Patrick's Diotero yotoro chiga igagatia yabire kelingera tabwa school chi abana baito bansi
Mancho mureria chiabto chideka emeronge ben nebere igore Chinsa komichi abono maragoba na wikiragabu na nko butora mangana maya kuremesa itu mangana maya Nsoko TV asenchera yo wengo to masoko skakegeren sa ya maragoba Clinton ndigi aya mesa ya manako etra mangana yo asenchera yo kanwe sa ya mani Chinsa to chiabto ko ekraba dikibaito mangana maya bagento ko beka chikambi an ko rongoro gusi asomore bwense yagwe akagergo koretaro ya magendro asoro gongoro na gotreta mangana yo asenchera yo kanwe kero chikaragen sa ya mo amonega tonege isato o chiamaragoba to masoko skakegera Edwin nyanga umwana mboka ko gochirari mu rubongo lya mariko mwongo lya marekamo weka ensa yamo ya maragoba abuna botambe inyoranga Brian Chaka Kelvin Mogoyi amona Felisas Kabendi ko gwancha okumuruka na Mrs F na obonsi barenge mega yemenyonja ko rekinga chibi chamo na mariogi awikere senchira here ya batu yaru ko Daniel Omwaga twaro maragoba gusesenirie